Welcome to Snips Happen. Welcome to another episode of Mass Make March featuring Tara from Scrapbooking With Me design team. And today we are going to make, I don't know, something with ease, timeless teal collection. There's 102 pages minus whatever I've already used. I don't know how many pages I've used, but let's get into it. You can follow us using the hashtag SWME Mass Make March 26 to see what we've all created up until now. There will probably be a playlist by the time you're seeing this video. Again, I'm using the Ease Timeless Teal. You can grab it in the shop. You can use my code Tara20. This is the ephemera alone. Yeah. This is the backgrounds. I'm probably going to play in the backgrounds today. Let's get to it. Let's get to it, shall we? What are we going to make today, Tara? Let's find your favorite one in here. Where's your favorite? They're all your favorite, but let's find your favorite one. Are you ready for spring? I'm ready for spring. I've been ready for spring. I'm over this rain, snow, whatever this shall be out here. I'm ready for spring. Not ready for mud season, but I'm ready for spring. There would be my favorite one. One of my favorite ones. Oh, it's blowing rain. It's raining, and yeah, it's not a nice day outside. No, sir. So I figured today would be a good day for me to film and then film some more. Oh, I didn't want you to see my micey right there. Yeah. I don't know when you'll be seeing these videos. When you see it, it may not be even raining, but yeah, I decided I was going to bulk film today. I think this is like my, I don't know how many videos I've already done. 5, 6, something like that. I don't know. I lost count. So, you've seen Miss E do these before. These are one of my favorites as Miss E does. But I'm gonna do it with a little twist. Not twist and shout, with a twist. So she does it at 3.5, and then she folds it in like at 3.5, folds it in like so, right? And then she comes over here. The ruler I'm using from Uncle Timmy can also be picked up at the shop on the website. My code does work on it. It's one of my favorite rulers. I can see the numbers from outer space, which is a good thing because sometimes I can't read ruler. And the other side is at 3, so there's a gap in there. So you end up with something like this, right? And then this is how. And then she folds the corner down. She leaves about an 1/8 of an inch, so it goes over like so, and then she brings this side. She sometimes cuts it about 1 inch and then she folds it over, but with this method that I'm doing today, I don't want to cut it because then I'm going to fold it up, go to my mat, I'm going to fold it up about 2 inches, like so. Yes, my flower's upside down. I'm fine with that. I am fine with that. I'm going to grab my bone folder. Just like this. And then we have this. Okay? Now, you see you can see the white core right here. You can glue that. You can do whatever you want. I'm gonna, when I glue it together, because you have to, you know, glue pieces down and stuff, I will show you how you can do this so that I don't have to this is also a really good tear ruler too, when you can tear right. Sometimes I'm sorry about the reach, I just want to stick my ruler or my pen up there so I could find it for my glue. Sometimes I can't tear to save my life, so there's that. I don't have to worry about it being like right up to the ends. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Because the pieces fold over and there's that, so it covers it up. You'll see what I mean in just a second. So this goes like this. So when this comes over like this, and this comes over like this, you have this right here. So now you take your glue and you go down this side, across the bottom, like this. And you know what? I just told you the wrong way to do it. You just go across the bottom. You do go across the bottom here and down the side here, so that when it comes across, it glues like that. So you can still put stuff in the top part of the pocket. Now I don't even know where my hole punch thing is, but it's alright. You can put a hole punch in there if you want. You don't have to. If you don't want to, then you just put some glue here and some glue here, and you have a pocket just like that. Let's make another one. These are the ones I picked out to use. Oops, use this one. Put this up here so I don't mess up. My ruler's right here. So it's 3.5 inches. Then I just go over here with my scoreboard, or not my scoreboard, but my score tool. Set it at 3. Mark it there. Fold this here, like so. And fold this here. Like so. Ooh. Then when I come in, It'll be like this. And when you fold it like this, say you don't like this flower on the top, you can switch them like this. Whatever you like best, you can put on the top. So I'm gonna fold this down like so, and then this down like so. I really like that, like that. It looks really cool like that. I do have some word washi that I like. So I think I'm going to use this washi instead if it will cooperate with me. I don't know if it will, but we're going to see if it will. Ink under your washi instead of the white, it won't show white underneath. It would show the color because this is kind of translucent, but I don't mind it looking white underneath, so that's why I'm letting it go the way that it is. But that is an option if you wanted to use it as an option. Do I need to put, I do have to put a little more. It's okay that it overlaps. No one's going to be able to tell the difference because the paper will be over it. I do have to trim across the top here because I didn't cut my washi very well. What else is new? Like I said, I can't glue straight, can't cut straight. But it's not about being perfectionist, it's about crafting, so that is what we're here to do. We are here to craft and learn something new. Ooh, I really like that paper, or that washi up there. And then we're gonna fold up our 2 inches like so. Just like that. Yes, you're not supposed to use your Cricut scraper as a bone folder. Take note of that. Not as I do. Your bone folder is supposed to be your bone folder, not your Cricut scraper. Oh, Tara, what am I going to do with you? Fire you. Fire you. You're teaching the people all the bad stuff. Fire you. We're gonna fire you. Because you teach the people the bad stuff. But they like the bad. They like they like it. They like the way you craft on the fly ball. Well, you know. I am going to round these corners just because I want to round them. And I might round these ones too just because I like the rounded look. and there is your pockets. Yes, I said mass make. I made 2. I normally only make 1 of something, but you get the gist of it. You're not going to want to sit here and watch me do these all day long, but we are going to make things to put in these. These are going to go into the box of the stuff that we are going to make decorations for. You know, like I'm going to make cluster tabs, I'm going to make clusters, I'm going to make all of that kind of stuff. So if you want to see more of my shenanigans, me having meetings with myself and talking to myself, please make sure you hit that subscribe and so hit that bell so you never miss one of my shenanigans, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.